I'm bored. I want to go somewhere. Same. Building up the toys. Yeah. I'm gaming. I'm gaming. Oh, I'm pooping. Melon? Yeah. Yeah. There's a random stranger at the door. Or I think that's your friend. Little friend. Or big friend. Big brother? I don't know. Alright. Yeah. What is he doing here? I don't know. Oh. Yeah. What do you want? There's a beach, right ahead in the sector, like, right over there. Just right straight over there. Beach? Yeah. Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes, so go there. Blech. Okay. Hey guys, we're going to the beach. Alright. Let's go. Oh, okay. But then they all went there. Went to the beach. And just... Yeah, pretend they all went to the beach. That's it. Alright, let's search it out. Alright. We're at the beach even though it's not even summer. I mean, it just passed, so let's go. Yeah. I mean, after we did need a break, so. Alright. Oh wait, I can just go down here. Why am I being so dramatic? Ow, my feet. Ow. Ooh. Who wants to play a game with me? Me. Ow. I will get to that in a straight moment. Here, you catch. Okay. I'm just killing the trees. It's my kind. Oh, what's over there? Oh, that hurt. Ooh. That feels relaxed.
That song is so familiar. What's it called? Get the Google app. Tap the mic, and then hum a few lines. Right, it's Come On Eileen, and now you know who sang it too. Hum to find any song. Download the Google app. That song is so familiar. What's it called?
Alright, there we go. It shouldn't take a long time. Oh, let me get rid of my spot and back, so that way I can carry these three to the literal right here, so I don't keep. So I don't keep making them. So I don't go one by one. I feel great in this lobby. Yeah. I feel relaxed. Pretend he's not dead. I just had to throw him up there. This is kind of boring, but I'm still playing. Yeah. You catch. Actually, let's go in the water. Oh, that hurt. Yeah. Wow. What was that for, Melon? Sorry. Oh, I can't swim. Woo. Oh, there we go. Let's see something. Let's see if I can wear something to swim with. Is there any swimsuit? I don't have a mod or a suit for it. I don't have a swimsuit. Okay. Well, that's not good. This feels so much better. Dun 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 dun. Hey, I feel something touching my. Ah, it's a shark! Oh my god! Strong. I am chomp. It just ate Melon. I can walk on water, but I can walk on land. I can get you on land. Oh, my feet are gonna crush you to death. Oh, you're lucky. I can't get you distance from here. You're too fat. No, no. No, look at me next. He's getting me next. Oh my, we need to stop that thing. What? There's a shark. You get him. You imbecile! You're the shark. Oh, it's causing so much lag. Oh my god. Let's go get out of here. Don't worry, they will be brought alive again. Soon. Just wait. Oh my god. Let's get out of here. So they finish going to the beach and never coming back there ever again. Yeah, so they never come back to the beach. Never again. So they never come back to the beach. Oh yeah, I just completely forgot Cake. He could. Oh wait, no, he had to stay home, bruh. But I didn't even notice. That's okay. I mean, I think he said. Well, actually, okay, whatever. I completely forgot Cake. I'm supposing he just didn't want him to go. Block Blast, okay. I mean, I did download that game a long time ago, but not really. I mean, I don't want to play it anymore, so. Oh, it's the game. Oh, okay. The game's just very laggy. So, how was the trip? Guys? How was the trip? Oh, it was good. Let's all go inside. So they went inside, just enjoying their time, and never deciding to come back to the beach ever again, or Melon's brother telling him to go. Well, his Gorebox version. Not his brother, but his Gorebox version telling him. Alright, let's go. Let's never go there. Let's just see what's actually safe next time. Alright? Alright. So that's the end of this. That's the end of this video. See y'all in the next video, or yeah. So like and subscribe.